Internet, what's up? This is Rod from tech.smartbuy.com, and today we're checking out the Lenovo Smart Display. Now, back at CES, Google announced the smart displays. So they're more or less Google Home with a display on it. So they partnered up with a few companies, Lenovo, Sony, JBL, and LG, to come up with a different variety of these. So we've spent a few weeks with it, and we're going to let you know where does it fit in the range of smart speakers and how does it compare against what Amazon is doing. About the design. So the 10.1 inch display weighs in at 2.6 pounds, offers a few buttons for controls like volume up, down, power, microphone mute, and a camera shutter cover switch. So at first glance, it resembles more or less a digital photo frame with a speaker on the side. And with a deeper dive, you see a unique design scheme present. On the rear, you see a curved end, look like a wedge with the bamboo panel. That wedge is there to help it stand up. But unfortunately, all you can do with it sitting up is make video calls via Google Duo. So the actual orientation or regular navigation doesn't orient the screen that way. So most of the times you're gonna have it facing the normal way. The LCD display on this thing is really good. It's just the right amount of everything. You see the Hey Google thing, you can see all the rainbow colors come up and they all look good. So they definitely did a good job with that. In regards to the sound, you have a 2-inch 10-watt speaker with 2 passive tweeters. It's a really good speaker. It pumps out really good sound for being a smart speaker. So again, since Google made it, this thing is running Android. So they call this platform Android Things 1.0. But for the most part, you kind of have everything you need at either a swipe or just requesting it via your voice. It's perfect timing too, because if you're a Google Home user and you use the routines where you say, hey, good morning, and it'll break down, weather, your calendar, commute to work, and it'll play news, news to see what you missed while you were sleeping. So that's pretty cool. My wife uses that for in the mornings when we're getting ready to get rolling. It does support Spotify. It'll show the cards on there and different things. You can do timers, you can pull up recipes. If you have YouTube TV, you can watch live TV on this thing. But even if you don't, you can cast content to it as well. So that's the cool thing. The thing that it doesn't, that we're just like, oh man, I wish they had this, it doesn't have Netflix support. Straight from the tablet or straight from the smart speaker, but you can still, if you have it on your phone, you can just cast it to it. But again, generation 1, they didn't really misstep too much. Let's give you a taste of what that sounds like, what the speaker sounds like, what it sounds like using it, all that jazz. Here we go.
What am I supposed to do? I didn't ask for the Iron Fist.
I'm fighting for what I believe in, no matter the cost.
Okay, Google, play Astroworld on Google Play Music.
I tried to show. Yeah. Gone on you with the pick and roll. Younger flame here in sicko mode.
Play the latest hot ones on YouTube.
Okay, playing the latest hot ones on YouTube.
Alright, so this first one is the Howler Monkey, and you'll start at the handle.
Start at the handle, alright. I'm so hungry, so thank you.
Google's take on the Echo Show is well played and well thought out. Combine that with Lenovo's good looking design, you got the missing piece of the array of Google Home products in regards to now you have a display. So if you're already immersed in the Google services or own a home product, a Google Home product, this will make a great addition to your home. Some people call this an appliance. I can see why, because if you put this in the kitchen, pulling up recipes. So if you're in the whole Amazon thing, if you're locked in heavy and not really into Google, this might not be for you, because you'd have to kind of, get into a lot of the Google services. But if you're already into it, you already have the Echo Show. The 8-inch one that doesn't have the bamboo on the back, just regular white, that starts at $200, which isn't bad. And then the 10.1 inch, the one that we have, it's at $250. Thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. Sound off in the comments if you have any other questions. Let us know what you think about it. Let us know if you have one, and see you next video. Peace.